Hello, everybody. This is Macy Reed from P-Check Wellness, and I am coming to you today because I'm asking and requesting that you all make the switch. What switch am I talking about? I'm talking about that switch from regular deodorant to P-Check deodorant. P-Check private areas deodorant can be used on all your private areas, okay? But number one thing I wanted to bring to your attention today: early detection of breast cancer. We have to commit to doing our self breast examinations, ladies. We have to commit to doing our breast checks because we have a lot of women these days who are being impacted by breast cancer. I've had plenty of women in my family who have been impacted by cancer. My mom passed away from cancer. My grandmother passed away from cancer. And my auntie is a living survivor of breast cancer, as well as my sister is a living survivor of breast cancer. And how does breast cancer links to making you all switch over to P-Check deodorant? Well, asking you all to switch over to P-Check deodorant. Well, I'm going to tell you. P-Check deodorant is all natural, it's aluminum free, and it is free of antiperspirants. And I wanted to bring this to you guys' attention about breast cancer and how it is linked to these different antiperspirants and aluminums that we find in the deodorant that we use. And so I went on to the breast cancer website, and I found this interesting information, which I already knew, but I wanted to share it with you all, okay? So, because underarm antiperspirants and deodorants are applied near the breast area and contain potentially harmful ingredients, scientists have suggested a possible connection between the use of antiperspirant deodorants and aluminum deodorants that are linked to breast cancer. Now, P-Check deodorant does not have any aluminum or any antiperspirants. And that's why I'm here today to ask you all to please make the switch to P-Check deodorant, okay? Now, aluminum-based compounds are used as an active ingredient in antiperspirants. These compounds form a temporary plug within the sweat duct, and it stops the flow of sweat on the skin surfaces. So some research suggests that aluminum-containing underarm antiperspirants, which are applied frequently, we use that frequently under our arms near our breast area, right, ladies? We have to be mindful of that. And so because estrogen can promote the growth of cancerous cells, some scientists have suggested that the aluminum-based compounds may be contributors and directly linked to breast cancers. Okay, y'all, again, be aware of this, okay? We have to be mindful of this. People are dying from this every day. Breast cancer. People are dying from breast cancer every day. And that is why I'm on here encouraging you all to please make the switch to P-Check. P-Check is all natural, it's aluminum free, and it contains no harmful ingredients, no chemicals. And that is the main reason why I created and formulated this product, because it was near and dear to my heart. Also, the P-Check deodorant, it's going to cost you $20. You can get that on the website, pcheckwellness.com. That includes the shipping charges. And this deodorant is going to last you 6 or 7 months. So you are definitely going to get your money's worth. I know people will say $20 for deodorant, $20 for deodorant. Yes, $20 for this deodorant that's aluminum free and not going to cause you cancer. Okay? So you all need to make the switch. I'm just telling you what I know. Make the switch. Stop using these deodorants that they're selling over the counter that they're saying are aluminum free, and they are not. If you read the ingredients on the back, a lot of times they'll have those ingredients that you're trying to avoid. They'll just disguise them with a name that you don't understand. And P-Check is not like that. All the ingredients in my product, you can see, you can read, and you know what they are. And I'm just telling you guys, this is very, very near and dear to my heart. I'm not just saying this just to sell you on my product, but I'm telling you that a lot of women are dying from breast cancer. And we need to be more mindful of the things that we're putting in our bodies and the things that we're using on our bodies. And so, again, I just wanted to bring that information to you all. Again, please, please, please go ahead and make the switch to P-Check All Natural Deodorant. It's for all your private areas, okay? That's for your armpits, under your tits, down here in your private area. It takes care of all those sweat and odor problems, and it's all natural. So what y'all need to do is go out and get you some P-Check. P-Check Wellness.